Prior to this course, what was the scariest thing for you about investing?
I would say it was really where to start and just being really afraid I was going to make a bad decision, because not knowing what companies to pick and then when to sell, when to buy, it just seemed like it was an overwhelming thing to even put $1 down. So I just feel now that that's completely changed. I've got the great Jayden formula for investing and for choosing value-added companies, companies that really match my values. And not only that, I have confidence in my ability to pick some really great investments for myself.
Did the course help you move past your fears when it comes to investing?
Yeah, absolutely. And we got to do those great practice exercises when we were in class, and that really helped boost my confidence and my ability to select some really great companies. So I think I've gone even beyond my own expectations when it came to what I was going to get out of this course.
In the middle of the course, you picked a stock that did very well. Do you want to share?
Yeah, so going through the formula and all the steps, and where I started with was choosing companies that matched my values, and from there, and working with Jayden and what he was teaching us, I was able to see, well, what's a good stock, what are good things to look for, what are things maybe you might want to avoid or just keep an eye on for a while. And I was able to choose, I think, not only one but two great stocks. One in particular went up 50% in a month. So, just that alone really told me that, okay, I know what I'm doing, I can have confidence if I just follow these steps and, take that first step and invest. I know I'm going to do really well.
Awesome. And how has your mindset changed regarding investments since you took the course?
Well, I thought investing was going to be kind of fun when I started, and I would say that's just amped up even more. I'm just really excited to, move forward with that. It just seems like this, I know when you talk about money, it doesn't always sound like it's a fun thing to do, but now I'm really excited, and I think it's just going to be fun to play with my own portfolio. I feel empowered.
Awesome. Lastly, would you recommend this course to your family and friends?
Yeah, absolutely. And I've actually been talking to friends about this throughout the course, just to let them know what I've been learning. And I know it's definitely piqued their interest, and I'm just going to continue to share my successes.
Brian, congratulations on taking this course. How do you feel?
I feel great. I thought it would be a useful, informational course, and it was way beyond my expectations, both in the material I learned and in the results I got in changing my investments in just 3 months. I've been investing on my own for about a year or so and focused on safe stocks and nice little dividends, and now you've taught me about value investing and how to do it without fear and with confidence.
Prior to this course, what was the scariest thing for you about investing?
It wasn't losing money, it was not making money. It was buying a stock and seeing it go up 5% in a few months, getting dividends that are 5% every year, and it wasn't growing. And I realized this could take decades to go up a little bit. I need to do more. And it meant getting over some fears and taking some risks.
How has overcoming your fears during this course paid off for you?
Phenomenally. It's just like it completely changed my point of view, my reference towards investing, and other things too, taking more risks.
How has your mindset changed regarding investments since you took this course?
It's changed completely from overly cautious, a little fear-based, to being comfortable buying the stocks.
So during this course, you took some recommendations, investing recommendations from Jayden. How did they work out?
They worked out phenomenally. I wouldn't actually mention the percentages I gained because I don't want to try and tell other people that's going to happen to them in 3 months. But I was averaging maybe 10-15% on a really good day, and it was going up triple, more times than that, and sometimes up to 80 and 90% in one stock.
In one stock during the course of the 3 months?
One stock in this course.
Brian, lastly, would you recommend this course to your family and friends?
Oh, definitely, I recommend this course to my family and friends, and I'll be mentioning it to a lot of people I know at work, home, everybody.
Nola, congratulations on taking the course. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I knew that this would be a good program because you were doing it, but it has blown my mind. I am so excited about what I can do now.
Nola, prior to this course, what was the scariest thing for you about investing?
Losing money. I just thought how, everybody says that you can't trade, you can't make money in the stock market, so it'd be crazy to even try. But I feel, yes, so confident. You've given us a step-by-step program that we can follow, and for me it's like, okay, I can do this, so I'm very excited.
Overall, what was investing like for you before the course?
I didn't, or was very reluctant, or handed it over to somebody else. I was too afraid. I would barely look at what my investments were. So this is huge. Yeah, huge.
Did the course help you move past your fears when it comes to investing?
Absolutely. I feel very confident. I can't wait to go and buy my first stock myself, and and I know it'll work out.
How has your mindset changed regarding investments since you took this course?
Well, again, total 180. Before I was reluctant to look. I would get my, statements, right, and I wouldn't even really look at them. And now it's like, I'm looking at the news and listening to, finances and checking out the stocks, and yeah, it's amazing.
And lastly, would you recommend this course to your family and friends?
Absolutely. In fact, once I leave here, I'm going to go and start talking to friends and family, because they need to do this. This is life-changing, so thank you from the bottom of my heart, Jaden.
Prior to this course, what was the scariest thing for you about investing?
I had some knowledge of it, and I've done some, but you've brought a lot of clarity for me. A lot of clarity. So I was always scared to take those next steps in my investment.
Okay, and overall, what was investing like for you before the course?
Oh, I guess I answered that. Yeah, it was a little scary for me, and part of that was getting over myself, getting over the fear that I had within myself.
How has your mindset changed regarding investments since you took this course?
I feel empowered to be able to do it myself with the information that you've provided and your guidance and everything, dude. It was great.
Excellent. And lastly, would you recommend this course to your family and friends?
Yes, I highly would recommend it, not just to my family and friends, but clients that come into my store, other people on the street. Like, I'm not afraid to go out there and share now, so look out, Jaden. I'm going to be referring a bunch of people to you.
Prior to this course, what was the scariest thing for you about investing?
I have always watched people look at their stocks and the numbers every day at work, and I always thought that's a different planet altogether. Right now, I feel that I can actually do this.
Overall, what was investing like for you before the course?
I have never done any investing before I did this course, because it was woo-woo, it was out there, it was something beyond anything I ever dreamed I would be able to do, and now I am confident.
Did the course help you move past your fears when it comes to investing?
This course made me move way beyond my fears. I, in my wildest dreams, never thought I would think of stocks and of trading.
How has your mindset changed regarding investments since you took this course?
When I started this course, I thought that it is probably going to be something above me. I would not be able to deal with anything coming my way, but because there were such good examples of looking at different options, looking and taking us where we could go so that we can make a decision based on facts that was very powerful for me.
And lastly, would you recommend this course to your family and friends?
I would recommend this course to anyone and everyone I see in the street, not even just family and friends. I think everyone needs to do this to be able to realize that there's more power in yourself than what you realize.